This is a free exercise for geology. You can play this game yourself. Look in the description of this video to find the link to this free game. I'm gonna press start now. The features of an earthquake. Here we see the epicenter. This is called this point. This point is called the focus or hypocenter. These are seismic waves. This is a transform movement. This is a fault. And this is a continental plate. You can play this game yourself. Look in the description of this video to find the link to the game. Cities of the world. Subscribe. More videos on travel and cities. Games for school, geography and geosciences. Link to free games.